Blizzard of 96. January 7th.
Where you hear him, she's at that.
Give me a camcorder. Come on.
Winds at 35 miles per hour or greater, visibility of less than a quarter of a mile, and of course, heavy snow. Another important
It's January 7th.
consideration later on this afternoon, the wind. The wind is definitely going to pick up, and then we're going to have a wind chill factor put into the situation. A wind chill factor is the temperature that your exposed skin feels to the air.
St. Charles Town Center Mall is closed.
How you doing, girl?
Did she come back on it?
Minnie.
There she is.
Woo-wee.
Did you have a good time? Come here. She's going right in on the bed. That's where she's going.
Hey, you big goose.
Minnie.
He parked in the driveway. Daddy got in the driveway, didn't he? Daddy all went to the ground backwards. Larry said, damn. When I come home, I stopped right here for a mailbox, clean off the back window so I could see him. Larry was walking down the street and he shook his head.
Tuesday, January 9th, 96.
Hey,
Third day of the blizzard of 96.
yeah. This is what they say is a dusting. It's now 3 to 5 inches, they said, Jim.
I'm aware.
This is our dusting.
Smile, you're on candid camera.
Smile, wave your hand to Mr. Jim.
We'll send this into the world's funniest videos.
Now you need that out.
Well, there's Mama sneaking out. Let's get another shot of Mama.
Look at him away.
There she is. Hello, Snow Bunny.
Now you can make it the prettiest song videos. If I step too far out there, I'll slide all over the bottom. I hit my head with a snow shovel. That's why I told him he could.
Well, 2 feet in this area. Another 3 to 5 scheduled for today.
Dad, I was trying to say, the driveway is all already.
Nothing I can do?
Don't get excited. Don't see something.
Yolks contain cholesterol, but our eggs have no yolks. So our meals
Hi, Minnie.
they cook up
Hey, yeah, sweetie.
healthy, healthier. No yolks needed. With milk and if you don't want.
Pretty girl.
Thank you so much. You don't know what this means to me. Well, boys, the performance is about to start, so would you please...
Here's our poor recovering patient.
Hold on, what's going on here?
1 week after surgery.
My husband, Tim. Tim, this is Sir Larry.
Ain't he cute? How you feel, sir?
Thank you so much. You don't know what this means to me. Well, boys, the performance is...
It's now January 13th, 1996. 1 week after the blizzard first hit. Notice we should have some problems up here with ice damming. Looks like it's going to take away the whole front gutters. Not enough snow to last for a while.
What do you think you're doing out there?
Film here. There he is. There's our neighborhood snow bunny. Wait a minute, still a little too bright yet. There we go. He will have a garage straight back here in a month or so. It's all dammed up. It's going to start to melt today, but I don't think we'll melt it enough. You see my damaged rear bumper? Thanks to Jamie's car. This is the backyard on the patio. Over 2 feet out here. There's some big sickles. See how deep the footprints are? Now, like these are all about ready to fall down. All pulled away. Satellite dish is high and dry. There's about a foot of snow on the backside here. The water meter's free. Up over half the height of the chain link fence there. Okay, on Sunday, January 7th, we had over 20 to 24 inches. And Tuesday, the 11th, we got hit with 5 to 6 additional inches. And then Thursday night into Friday, the 12th of January, we picked up another 5 inches. For a grand total about 24 to 30 inches in Waldorf.